What's up, YouTube? This is Jesse, and today I'm making a very large dining room table, and it just so happens it's going to be a black walnut epoxy table. So this is what you're seeing here is I have two 6-foot pieces of black walnut that I had cut. They're 1.5 inches thick, and I decided one day I wanted to make a dining room table out of it. So I made this form here out of MDF and I had a gallon of epoxy and I started to pour it, and you can see here I have probably only an 1/8 inch poured. It is hard because I've done it several days ago, but I did have near enough epoxy, but I have 4 gallons sitting right over there, and I'm about to finish this up this week and we're gonna have some metal table legs built for it, and yeah, it should be a pretty sweet piece. This is my first like true river epoxy table that I made. It's hard to see right now, but the red you're seeing is the tape I use to seal the MDF from the epoxy, but it's got a white pearl, or not, sorry, it's a white pigment, but it has a green pearl in the epoxy, and also it's got like a grayish pearl. It's called aluminum something pigment, and the other one's a ghost green. That's why it's white, but it has a green pearl. So, yep, this is it, and I'm gonna get some clips of me pouring the epoxy up. Alright, so this is the epoxy I'm using. It's Total Boat tabletop epoxy. It's a 1-to-1 ratio. I have, let's see, about 30 something ounces mixed up. Well, it's not mixed up yet here, but I got everything to mix it up. There's my pigment, 2 types of pigment. The darker one is Liquid Metal Pearl by Black Diamond, and the white one is Ghost Satin Green by Black Diamond also. So I'm about to get to mixing this and gonna pour it on the table.
In the car. I listen all day at work or when I'm driving. Or in your local massage parlor.